As fresh water freezes, it expands. The actual amount of water that makes up the ice remains the same, but the space it occupies is greater. This is why the density of ice is less than the density of water, and the secret to why ice floats. Seawater differs from freshwater in that the various sediments and salts dissolved in it make it slightly denser than freshwater, which is also why the ice in the iceberg, made up of frozen fresh water, finds it easy to float in the sea. Ice has roughly 90% of the density of salt water, which means that about 90% of that iceberg is below the surface, sharing the same density as the water it's in, and 10% of the iceberg floats on top. If we think of the investment of time and talent as the part of an iceberg that we can see and measure what's above the waterline, and we think of energy, that part of the iceberg that's below the surface that we have a harder time measuring, then the majority of investment in each and every member of our team is actually something that's below the surface of our attention. It's not obvious. Being able to tap into that hidden energy means tapping into the real investment opportunity and the mass and power of what drives up the impact of time and talent and leads to true performance.